Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I am going to be unboxing these Trabricks for you so that you can have a look at my latest purchase. These come from Cateared and it works out perfectly because this diamond painting is also from Cateared. This is my January project for my Ease Your Whip into 2025. I started this last year and it got put to the side, overtaken by other projects, and so I am determined to finish it. I am just about halfway on this really gorgeous time travel galaxy astrological kind of themed canvas. I am loving the colours. I am not so much enjoying the confetti, but it is coming together really, really great. And I'm enjoying what it looks like when it's finished. So I've got my Cateared canvas and I've got my Trabricks from Cateared. These, although you can get them directly from the Cateared website, I got these ones from Amazon. And these, I'll show you, they come in a couple of different colours. I, of course, got the purple ones. So when we open them up, it says, our designs are rooted in your lifestyle and we know firsthand how important pets are to our lifestyle. That's why we created our Trabricks with a game-changing design that resists drop and knock. No more dealing with drills scattered all over. So, and then it tells you how to open them. I am a little bit worried about whether this is going to cause me to lose a nail or two, but we will see. So this is a set of 10. This is their larger size. They hold, this size holds apparently 6,000 drills per brick, with the smaller size holding 3,000 drills. So you can see this is sort of palm sized. The smaller size, I believe, is about half the size. So this is what they look like. My ones have got the dark purple top, light purple bottom. You can get them the other way around. You can also get them, I think, in a pink, if I'm remembering rightly. They have got a very tight clip here, which, yeah, I can do it with the side of my finger. I don't want to be getting a fingernail under there because that is just going to damage my nails. And I'm a little bit precious about my nails. So, but yes, the idea being that this becomes not only your drill tray for shaking and placing, but also your drill storage. So, for instance, I've got my pot of 554 AB. I can shake those in here, whatever direction works for me. Oh, I've got some random colours in there as well, but that works quite nicely. They line up very nice in there, and from there I would be able to place them. Do I actually need any of that colour on this section? I should have checked first. Yes, I do. Right. so you can go in with tweezers if you want, quite easily, and place that there. Is that the only one? I think there might actually only A in that section, but just to show that it works fine with a multi-placer, I will also, I'll take these off afterwards. But yeah, no problem there using a multi-placer either. So I'm really pleased with these. As I say, I got them from Amazon. When I bought them, they were 20, just over £20. I will find the exact price and pop it in the description box for you, so that you can see exactly what I paid for them. But they're often, with Amazon, often you can find deals and offers. And of course, you can always check out the Cateared website directly for pricing. I know if you're in the UK, I believe your best bet is to go through Amazon just because of the speed of delivery. Whereas if you are going through their website directly, I think it takes a little bit longer for delivery. But yeah, so then this lives in here. Obviously, you can stick your labels on, saying what's in there. That can live there. We can just cover up that patch again. We can drop this. It doesn't come open. And then when you're ready to use it again, you can just shake them back out. I know that the very first set of these that they created had a bit of a problem with static, but these new ones have got an anti-static plastic, so you shouldn't have problems with static build-up, or certainly not as much as they had previously. So I'm really pleased with these. I'm not sure what kit I'm going to use them for. I've only got a set of 10, so I might just keep them for special drills. I've probably only got about 10 different colours of the fairy dust style drills, so I think maybe I'll just box up my specials like that. We will see. But as it stands, I'm really happy with them. Obviously they're all the same, and because they are flat, you can quite easily sort of, they don't click together or anything, but you can of course stack them together or just keep them in here in their boxes, or you can just take them out when you need them. I know there are, I believe, and if I can verify this again, I will put links down below. I think it was Art De Nicole who have come up with a tray for holding these, or a system for holding them. And this is Trabricks from Cateared. Do go and check them out. I've been a fan of Cateared products since the very early days of my diamond painting journey. I will link a couple of the videos of, in fact, I've got a Cateared playlist, so I'll link that and you can have a look at the other things that I have tested from them, in including diamond paintings, pens, all sorts. So do give them a look, and yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. I know that Roxy the Dotty Crafter has recently got a set of Trabricks as well, different colour to mine. So do go check out her channel as well and see what she thought about them. And I'm going to leave this here. So thank you very much for joining me for my little unboxing today. I am going to get back on with trying to work on this mammoth diamond painting. And yeah, I will let you know as soon as I've got an update. So that is all from me for today. Please do consider supporting the channel by liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already. Pop on over to Facebook, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And if you'd like to support the channel more directly, you can do so by becoming a channel member or joining us on Patreon. You can find details down below. It is from just 99p per month. So thanks to everybody that already does that. Your names are on the screen now, and I think you are the absolute best. And until next time, stay crafty!